Let's talk about Ansible's configuration file, your automation guidebook. Finding the right config file isn't a treasure hunt, but it sure feels like one. With multiple ways to check, you'll never be left guessing. A good understanding helps you tweak settings like a pro. And let's face it, ensuring smooth automation is the difference between perfect, and oops, what just happened. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Imagine Ansible as a master chef. Its configuration file is the recipe book. Without it, things get messy fast. This file dictates how commands behave and where it lives within your system, whether adjusting for cloud, local servers, or intergalactic infrastructure. Okay, maybe not yet. This file holds the power to shape your automation dream. Think of Ansible.cfg as the backstage manager of a big show, silent but essential. It holds critical settings, shaping how automation works. Want to fine-tune performance? Tweaking this file is your golden ticket. The difference between a smooth run and a why is this failing moment often lies right here. Ansible's configuration file has a few homes. It doesn't just settle in one place. Default locations ensure predictability, but custom paths let you take control. If something goes wrong, knowing where to look can save you from yelling at your screen. Understanding this hierarchy is half the battle. Alright, let's talk about creating an Ansible.cfg file. First, define the key configuration parameters. Think of them as the rules of the game. Then set default values to keep things running smoothly. Make sure it works well with Ansible modules. Compatibility is key. Finally, test it like your life depends on it, or at least your deployment does. Security first always. Limit access to your configuration files. No unauthorized peekers. Use encrypted credentials, because plain text passwords are like leaving your house key under the doormat. Regularly audit security settings. Hackers don't take breaks, so neither should your security checks. And of course, follow best practices. We want safe and secure, not oops and exposed. Managing configurations. It's all about structure and discipline. Keep a version-controlled repository. Trust me, it's a lifesaver when debugging. Document your changes, because future you will thank present you. Use standard naming conventions. Random abbreviations aren't cute. And review regularly, because stale configs lead to surprise outages. And nobody likes surprise outages. Troubleshooting time. First, identify common mistakes. If you're puzzled, chances are it's something simple. Check the logs, they hold all the secrets. Validate syntax, because a misplaced character can turn everything upside down. And test with sample playbooks before taking the plunge. Better a controlled disaster than a real one. Customization is key. Create project-specific configs for fine-tuned control. Override defaults smartly. Don't just change things for the sake of it. Make sure it plays nicely with playbooks. A rogue config can derail your plans. And above all, test thoroughly. Better to find issues now than during crunch time. Configurations matter. They dictate how playbooks execute, so set them wisely. Optimize resource allocation. Don't be the person hogging all the server power. Maintain consistency across environments. Chaos is for movies, not deployments. And monitor performance, because nobody likes sluggish execution. So what have we learned? A solid configuration keeps deployments smooth. Security best practices save headaches down the road. Troubleshooting should be proactive, not reactive. And finally, always test, document, and review, because a well-managed setup is a happy setup. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.